community section where we can check followers quantity, and as we can see, we got 5,000 followers. Hey everyone, do you want to get 5,000 followers on Facebook page in just 10 minutes? This video is special for you because today I'm going to show you a new way to get followers on Facebook without any risk. Our followers will stay with us forever. Well, let's get started. Let's open the Facebook menu and open the page section. Now, special for your convenience, I will create a new page that shows you how to increase followers from 0 to 5,000 followers. Now click create and let's name this page. I write the page name and click next. Now choose the category. I'll choose a musical or brand for example and click create. It asks you to type your content, but we can't skip this late step and do it later. Now click next. Let's choose any avatars for this page, and that's great. Now click the next and that's all. Okay, we've created a page and let's click community care. Now we have only one follower, and by the end of this video we will have 5,000 followers, and if you watch this video to the end you will get the same result. Just follow my step. First of all, we need to copy the link of this page by clicking here, scroll below and click the copy page link. Now let's open any browser, be it Google Chrome or Safari, doesn't matter. This method works with any device with a computer, iPhone or Android. Today you know how to work with Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and open Google search. Now we need to type the keyword SMM Roladel here and click the search box. Now we open the first website, which is recommended as Google recommended smm.roladel.com. Now we have to open this website where we can get followers with guarantee non-drop. Once you are on the page like this, you need to go ahead and click the sign up button here. Once you've done this, you will be on this page, and when you are on this page you need to fill out this form with correct information. After everything, you will take into your account dashboard like this, and as you can see, your account balance is 0 fund. Now what you need to do is to set the amount to know how much you're willing to spend. If you want to hit 5,000 followers, you need to check the price by going to the services page. Once you're on the service page, you have to click here to see all the available for services on this platform. You can see Facebook, Instagram, AudioMac, Twitter, Telegram and many more. Some services are more expensive than others, but Facebook is one of the cheapest here. So click on Facebook and you will see all the available services for Facebook. You can see Facebook followers and the price as well. I'm 100% sure that this price is very affordable, but most of you may think this price may seem quite high, but it can actually be a pretty good investment for you, because it now means that once you hit the monetization threshold, you actually start to earn that money back. And on all my pages, once I had the followers and started posting videos, they watched them and I started to make my money back, because this platform doesn't use bots traffic to promote pages. So now click order now and it will take you to this page where you will need to add your Facebook page link and number of followers you need to get. This is the minimum and maximum number you need, which means they will promote your pages until you hit exactly what you're expecting. Now you can scroll down to see the preview of what you want to order. Once you finish everything here, click here and your channel and videos will appear as an advertisement alongside them to start your promotion. Be sure to add funds to your account by going to this page and click add fund. As you can see, you have different payment methods to use, which include paystack, manual transfer and many more. If your preferred payment method isn't available here, you can contact the WhatsApp icon or email to get more payment options. When that's all done, it takes 24 to 48 hours for your campaign to go live and you will start seeing results on your page. If your promotion has been disapproved, they will tell you why, and you can make those changes in order to allow your promotion to be approved. Once you have your ads running, you need to let them run for 3 to 14 days. After 3 days, you need to look at which posts had the most followers and then wait for others to complete. So now you can go ahead and follow the guide which I have shown you to get 5,000 followers in just 10 minutes. Thanks so much for watching and bye for now.